and welcome to this tutorial on how to deploy shell scripts on macOS devices with Scalefusion UEM. To deploy a script on Mac devices, go to Application Management and navigate to the Enterprise Store. Click on Upload New App and select Upload macOS App. Select Upload Shell Script. This opens a pop-up where you can upload a script from the local files or insert a URL if the script is stored in the cloud. Then, choose if the script is to be run as a signed-in user or not, and configure the script execution schedule. We also offer the option to script with AirThink AI. Simply input the command for which you need a script, and our AI tool will generate it for you. Once you have your script ready and the settings configured, click on Save and select the device profiles where you want to apply the script. The script gets applied to all devices present in the profile and will be executed based on the execution settings configured. That's all for shell scripting with Scalefusion. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Scalefusion's YouTube channel for more such videos.